Valentina.
And me, Juliette.
Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing with a few of our fidgets. Some of our fidgets. So, should we get started?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. So, let's start off with these poppets. So, here you go, Julia.
Okay. I like this one.
Yeah, I got this popsicle. Yum, yum, yum. Someone took a bite out of it. So, yeah, it has like letters. Can you see that? Yeah.
Little letters.
Like some like numbers.
I saw D, A, B, C, D.
Yeah, it's a really good poppet. And then it's the bad side, so. The bad side is still actually kind of good.
Why do they have to make bad sides and good sides? They could all be good.
Well, how's yours?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, the bad side.
The other side's good. Not the
So
bad
here
side.
we have our pop tubes. So
That's a blue one. This is a pink one. They're worms. They look like worms, but they're just tubes. They look like straws, but they aren't.
and then you can also bend them. They're bendy.
The small ones, I have to say, the small ones are kind of harder to put together. It's hard for me to do that. The bigger ones are easier. These are small. I like making a belt out of the big ones.
Oh yeah, we actually have a big one.
Yeah, I make a belt out of it and a crown. It's really fun when my hair gets stuck in it.
Yeah, that is true. Her hair does. So I'm gonna play with this infinity cube. It's cool.
I don't know why it's called infinity cube.
I don't know.
Well, it is a cube, but why does it have infinity in it?
Maybe because it has infinity cubes.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
that would be a big giant one, like the size of a house, like a mansion.
Okay, well, next is this like game controller.
Looks like
A game controller.
a game controller.
So,
Well, I don't know if it's actually called a game controller.
I'm just calling it that. I don't really know that.
I like how on the back it has different stuff. You'll have to see what it is. Only those two are like clicking.
And then on here, you can see. And here, this one's harder. Then over here.
And that is a light switch.
Yeah, it's basically like a light switch.
And that is just to spin your finger around. I think it's for energy.
What do you mean underly?
I don't know, you could make it fit.
Well, next, I wanna do this
It
slime.
says flashing crystal putty. I hope it works, or I hope you don't need batteries for it. I bet there's gonna be a bubble already. Okay, now there isn't.
Okay,
So that is it. That's small. How do you even control that thing?
Okay, hold on. How did it light up? Okay, hold on. Maybe it needs to be dark. Let me
Maybe.
turn off the lights.
Turn off the light. Whoops. I'll close the door.
Okay, it's dark and like this still isn't lighting up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was totally a fail.
But if you look on here,
Able to do that.
yeah, and it looks like it's like kind of like dark.
Yeah, I think you have to make it like not that dark.
Here, it's nice.
But it's not that stretchy. If you stretch it slowly, then it's really stretchy. Not if you do it fast. It looks like crystal inside of it. I have a really similar slime like that.
Next are these DNA balls. This is the
I like
water
DNA
kind of
balls.
one. And
Like
then
water one and not water one. I kind of like the water one more. And if you touch the Orbeez, to
I don't know what this is.
like whatever
the
it
ball.
is. The ball to here, whatever it's called, a ball here. Then you see some kind of moisture thing on it.
Yeah, it might just be like kind of like be the ball.
Yeah.
But yeah.
There's so much balls in this one.
Next, which
want
one
the
do you
panda.
want? The panda, okay. I was hoping
So
for the panda.
cute. The cheeks came off because I put sanitizer on it.
Yeah, and then like the little cheeks.
I never knew that sanitizer could take off cheeks. Oh, he looked better with cheeks, but he's still so cute. Now she's gonna get smushed by a car. Ooh! Then she grows rising up. He's fast riser, not slow riser.
Next, can you pass over the mochis?
I like mochis. They're so cute.
So we've
I'm
got.
excited for the dimples.
We have more emojis, but first we have this blue polar bear. Next, this white polar bear. I think they're polar bears, just saying.
Yeah.
And then we have this cute little cat. It's like it looks like it's like at the beach. Oh yeah, enjoying the sun.
So squishy.
They're stretchy, squishy. Woohoo! Yeah, cute. Here we go. And last but not least, drum roll please.
We have the dimple dimples. I want the big one.
No, I want the big one.
Aww. I get these small ones.
Okay, so this is counting to 10 in Spanish. And English. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's no 11. And now, time for this one. If you get the pack, there's this, and you come with one of these. So it has one of these, so you would hang it on somewhere, like on your backpack. And then you have orange, pink, and blue. And then let's hear it. Not that loud.
So, yeah. Not that loud, it seems like.
I was almost going to grab that one again. It looks like a butterfly.
I agree, it kind of is.
Yeah, that's good. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, whoever is watching this video. And I hope you have a fun time with whatever fidgets you have.
And even if
at
you
home.
don't, then I just
Want you
hope you
to
have fun.
have fun.
At home.
Yeah. So,
Have a great day or night, and we'll see you all next time.
bye.
Goodbye.